Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make the fart sound effect. It can range from a very large fart to mild, so something like that. So today I am going to teach you how to do that. First of all, you want to build up the air. First of all, close your mouth. You see, I didn't, you just need to do this. Okay? So then what you want to do is, and then through that gap, you would want to blow. You want to blow the air out. So if you do it fast, it's going to be like this. If you do it a little slower and a little bit softer, it'll be like this. Ranging from would you want air or would you want sound? Air sounds like this. Where you do this to the side or where you vibrate. That's the sound and the vibrating sound, so you can make the... It's a little bit different, but you could practice and try. There's no whistling technique, and you could try it out at home. You can also surprise your friends. Yeah, this isn't really about technique. This is about if you're bored or not, and you can learn a little skill. All right, that's it. Bye.